QuestSpecialty Corporation provides over 400 specialty products for diverse industrial and commercial needs, ensuring superior performance and consistent results. We create partnerships and deliver profitable programs for both brand and private label marketing strategies. We are an EPA-registered pesticide manufacturer, an FDA OTC drug producing and labeling facility. Our product lines include branded, private brand, custom formulations, and contract packaging in aerosols, liquid RTU, liquid concentrates, powders, and wipes. We offer a range of commercial products encompassing air fresheners, carpet, upholstery, hand and janitorial cleaners, housekeeping supplies, disinfectants, dispensers, and floor care. From general-purpose cleaners to floor, air care, insecticides, pre-moistened wipes, drain maintenance, and greenscapes safer choice cleaners, we accommodate all sanitary supply needs. Our industrial products include coil cleaners, contact cleaners, degreasers, lubricants, metal treatment solutions, and penetrants. Our food service solutions include carbon removers, beverage, ice machine, and evaporator cleaners, food-grade lubricants, no-rinse food contact surface sanitizers, and drain maintenance. We house 7 filling lines at our 158,000 square foot facility, committed to providing quality products and services along with technical expertise. Our products cater to industries including automotive, food service, grounds maintenance, janitorial, sanitary, property management, manufacturing, and transportation applications. We provide unsurpassed commitment to customers in offering specialty chemistry and programs to service distributors, secondary end users, private labels, and R&D strategies. Our regulatory department maintains product compliance in an ever-changing world of regulations. Our sales team and purchasing department can support our customer base and source materials for the most particular customers. Contact us today.